everyone, I will be showing you today how to change a rear light in my 2010 GMC Terrain. And the first thing you need to do is to lift the tailgate. And next we're going to remove these two covers. And you can use anything to lift them up. I'm using an old key. And you remove these two, and beneath here you have two 10mm bolts. You can either use a Phillips or you can use a bolt remover. I'll be using this with the 7/16 here. Want them to fall down in here. Just so you know, I have already replaced my bulb. I just decided to go ahead and make a video how to do this. Bear with me. Alrighty, I have those removed. And next, what we're going to do is remove this cover. You see how it's loosened? You're going to grip it like this, and you're going to wiggle it. It should be fairly easy. Wiggle it just a little bit. You're gonna hear some popping noises, but don't be afraid. And this is how it comes off. Back here is where it's really dirty. Back here's where the light bulb will go. And this is the area where it was connected here and here with this and this. And you just screw this part off. Well, not screw it off, but like twist it and it will come out with the bulb intact. And this is the bulb that blew earlier, and it came out of that area. So this is a fairly simple fix, but this is how it looks when you take it all apart. And you just flip it back over. And pop it back in. Make sure it fits snugly. And just reassemble it. Thanks for watching. I hope someone learned some valuable tips from me.